smarty heads, welcome back to our channel. Think you know animals? Let's test your general knowledge with a quick multiple choice quiz. All set? Let's jump right in. Which honeybees in a hive make the honey? Male drone bees, female worker bees, or queen bee? Female worker bees make the honey. What is another name for the Arabian one-humped camel? Golden, Bactrian, or dromedary? Dromedary. What is a female donkey called? Sue, Jenny, or Sheila? It's called Jenny. In which river are pink river dolphins found? Mississippi, Nile, or Amazon? It's Amazon. What is the longest snake in the world? Reticulated python, anaconda, or ball python? It's reticulated python. Which mammal gives birth to 4 identical babies? Armadillo, bat, or hedgehog? It's armadillo. Which part of a dog can sweat? Ears, pads, or tail? Dogs can sweat through their paw pads. Which bird lays the largest eggs relative to its body weight? Hummingbird, ostrich, or kiwi? It's kiwi. How many rows of whiskers do cats have on each cheek? 2, 3, or 4? 4 rows of whiskers on each cheek. Which species of whale has teeth only on the bottom jaw? Blue whale, sperm whale, or humpback whale? It's sperm whale. Where are poison dart frogs found? Australia, South and Central America, or Africa? It's found in South and Central America. How many teats does a cow usually have? 2, 4, or 6? 4. Which is false about koalas? They are bears, they are born blind, or they eat eucalyptus leaves. They are bears is false. Koalas are marsupials, not bears. Angora wool comes from which animal? Rabbit, goat, or sheep? It's rabbit. What is the world's fastest dog breed? Vizsla, Afghan hound, or greyhound? It's greyhound. Which is the largest mammal that can fly for long periods? Flying fox, flying squirrel, or flying lemur? It's flying fox. Which animal is known for singing long, complex songs? Mountain gorillas, humpback whales, or red pandas? It's humpback whales. What determines the sex of most turtles, alligators, crocodiles? Parents' age, egg temperature, or rainfall? It's egg temperature. What color are zebras? Black with white stripes, white with black stripes, or both? It's black with white stripes. Polar bears feed mostly on what animal? Seals, fish, or penguins? Seals. Which of these does not have blood? Chameleon, tortoise, or starfish? It's starfish. Why do dogs pant? To cool down, because hungry, or because thirsty? To cool down. Which of these has hollow bones? Birds, cats, or turtles? Birds. Which animal has the best eyesight? Bear, wolf, or eagle? Eagle. What do we call mammals that raise their young in pouches? Marsupial, placental, or monotreme? Marsupial. The Akita breed of dog originated in which country? United Kingdom, Mexico, or Japan? Japan. What are tiger paw prints called? Pot marks, pat marks, or pug marks? Pug marks. Name this hairless rodent known for its wrinkly skin. Skinny pig, naked mole rat, or pangolin? Naked mole rat. Scorpions are most closely related to which of the following animals? Spiders, lizards, or beetles? Spiders. Which mosquitoes bite people for blood? Only males, only females, or both? Only females. How many toes does a camel have per foot? 2, 3, or 4? 2 toes per foot. What is the actual color of polar bear skin? White, black, or pink? Black. Which shark species grows the largest in size? Basking shark, great white, or whale shark? Whale shark. Which is the shortest living animal in the world? Housefly, dragonfly, or mayfly? Mayfly. Which animal is the closest living relative to humans? Chimpanzees, gorillas, or orangutans? Chimpanzees. What natural ability, similar to sonar, helps animals move and find prey? Echolocation, radar, or beaconing? Echolocation. Which is the largest living reptile in the world? Reticulated python, saltwater crocodile, or Komodo dragon? Saltwater crocodile. Which land mammal has the most teeth? Giant armadillo, tiger, or polar bear?
Giant armadillo.
What endangered animal has a body covered in scales? Scaly anteater, pangolin, or armadillo? Pangolin. Which one of these animals has a brain? Earthworm, starfish, or sea cucumber?
Earthworm.
What gift does a male gentoo penguin give to a female? Pebble, crab, or fish? Pebble. Which is the slowest mammal on Earth? Three-toed sloth, koala, or giant panda? Three-toed sloth. What is this striped animal called? Zebra, deer, ocelot, or okapi? Okapi. How many wings does a dragonfly have? 2, 4, or 6? 4. Which dog breed is great at tracking smells? Bloodhound, Havanese, or Corgi? Bloodhound. How many stages are in complete metamorphosis, like when a caterpillar becomes a butterfly? 2, 4, or 6? 4. How big is a baby kangaroo when it is born? 1 inch, 3 inches, or 6 inches? 1 inch. Which rhino has 1 horn? White rhino, black rhino, or Indian rhino? Indian rhino. Which is the biggest wild cat in the world? Lion, Siberian tiger, or jaguar? Siberian tiger. Which male animal gets pregnant? Cobra, seahorse, or platypus? Seahorse. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.